right, there we go. The train station.
Pass.
No pass. We have to go to this building behind you.
No pass me.
Why?
Because I
You actually
say
have to cross because you're going on the side. Oh, we got food in the car. They just got coffee here.
No, they actually got biscuits and donuts.
Not that big at all now.
There's some games set up over there.
What it used to look like before they fixed it. The ceilings are falling down. How many clears on my phone?
What?
Yeah, I told you it was all broken up in pieces.
What's flooding?
Careful dropping.
And all dirty and all the bricks are busted.
Oh, there it is.
What?
Where's Joseph?
Alright, did you go?
Yeah.
My turn? I'm black?
You're back. Right here.
Beat me. He beat me. Who's winning?